Hello and namaste everyone. Now we want to extract the values of the settlement datasets and we need an elevation of each points to do that. Before doing that, I just want to show you how to visualize the DM. For visualizing DM, you can go for single band pseudo color and then create a new color ramp. Go to this catalog CPTCT, wait for a few seconds, and once it is loaded, click on topography and elevation, and then you will have a beautiful map with elevation. Make its transparency 0 so that the zero value is removed from on the map, and then you see exactly what it is in a DEM. So next step is to visualize the settlement data. Click on it. I choose SPG marker instead of doing that, and my settlement look like a houses. So I put this as this marker and increase little bit size of it and apply it. So then now you can see the settlement are here, and we want to extract each settlement elevation. To label the data set, you can just go on label and then you can choose a single label, and this has the field name, and you can apply it. Then you can see the name of this place. To do that, to extract the data, you can simply type simple raster values and put DM on it with settlement. Your new column name will be elevation, and it is in meter. So I just want to show you the temporary file. Run it, and once you have done it, you can directly copy the style, all style, and paste on a simple point. Then that star will be automatically applied to it. So you can see now this star has been applied to it. If you open the attribute table, you can see there is an elevation data sets in each column, each place name with elevation. This is how we can do it. You can directly export this result, save feature arrays like that as a CSV file or as a save file, wherever you want. This is all for today. We'll see you again. Thank you for your time.